Viewing your payment history on Binance is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to quickly access your transaction records. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Binance website or open the Binance app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your account for security purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the main menu. Click on it to access your wallet overview, where you can see your balances and transaction options. Step 3. Select transaction history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the @com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Filter your transactions. To find specific payment history, use the filtering options available. You can filter by date range, transaction type, or asset to narrow down your search to the relevant transactions. Step 5. Review and export. Once you have located your desired transaction history, you can review the details. If needed, you can also export this data to a file for your records by clicking on the export option. By following these steps, you can easily view your payment history on Binance. Regularly checking your transaction records can help you keep track of your investments and financial activities.